Hey, do you want to know how you can earn more than $15,000 per month? Today, I want to share with you my experience of the best landing page service. After testing a huge number of programs from this category, I found the best option that suits me perfectly. I have been using it for about 3 years now. It's autoresponder, subscribe management, and form billing capabilities, and they are excellent. In this short video, I'm going to show you 7 very useful features that few people know about, but which make it truly the best in the best landing pages category. This is about ConvertKit. I will leave a link to the official site under the video. Look carefully at the screen so as not to miss the most important thing.
Hi, not sure which service to choose for your email marketing? Today I will help you figure it out. It's about a very reliable and proven service, so you need to market through email using tools like ConvertKit itself. You're in luck because there are many options out here. You're in luck because there are many options out there. What we like about ConvertKit. ConvertKit is easy to use. Formerly called ConvertKit, the company claims ConvertKit now suits it more because it means selfless service. Well, what better way to offer selfless service than to make email marketing easy to use? This is the main aim of ConvertKit as a platform, and it achieved it. You can build an email automation the first time you use it. That's how easy it is to use. Its tag-based system makes email automation easier. You can tag your subscribers based on the actions they take and how they interact with your content, and you can do it automatically. You pay once for a single subscriber. With its tag-based system, a subscriber can be tagged as many times as possible, but still count for a single subscriber. For list-based email software platforms, you can pay for a subscriber many times as you add them to different lists. Check ConvertKit has built-in email courses and sequences. If you want to sell a course, product, or info products as a blogger, you can build it easily on ConvertKit. Email is one of the most important tools of marketing. After all, over 2.8 billion people use emails as of 2018, according to Redicati Group. Email is a personal tool, and even with the higher number of users, 88% of them check their emails regularly. I'm sure you have logged into your email account today. If you haven't, you'll do it before the close of work. I'm 100% sure. ConvertKit is an email marketing software for online creators. If you're a blogger, an author, a photographer, a graphic designer, web developer and designer, an illustrator, a freelance writer, a consultant, a public speaker, and the like, ConvertKit was designed with you in mind. ConvertKit prides itself as an email marketing software most suited for professional bloggers. This email marketing software company was founded in 2013 by Nathan Barry and David Wheeler. Today, the team has 35 members who work to make email marketing as hitch-free as possible. Reasons why online creators switch to ConvertKit. Let's discuss a few reasons why people choose ConvertKit instead of other email marketing tools. Send the right offers to the right people. ConvertKit organizes your subscribers based on tags rather than lists on providers like Aweber. This makes it easier and cost-effective when you want to add a number of your subscribers for an event or a product. Dramatically improve email deliverability rate. Deliverability rate is the ratio of the number of email addresses, that is to say subscribers, that receive your email compared to the number that you send it to. When an email fails to land at an address, it's called a bounce. A soft bounce if it's because of the recipient's full inbox, or a hard bounce if it's due to an error. Improving email deliverability is the #1 concern that most online creators have. There are many factors that affect the deliverability of your emails. These factors include engagement of subscribers with your emails. Sending a fake email address gives you a bad reputation in the sight of ICPs and may affect your deliverability. To improve the deliverability of your emails, you have to clean your email lists regularly to remove inactive email addresses. Don't buy email lists, as most of the email addresses are unconfirmed. Make your design light to avoid your emails falling into the spam folder. ConvertKit advises that you use simple designs or no design at all to prevent your emails going to the spam or the promotions tab. Use catchy headlines to engage your subscribers. Use double opt-in for subscribers. There is no fixed deliverability rate for any email marketing software, as deliverability also depends on factors like the content you're sending to your subscribers. Unrivaled customer service. ConvertKit offers customer support through live chat and email. They also provide support documentation and video tutorials. The support documentation takes you through most of the actions you might want to perform on the email software. It consists of frequently asked questions by users and answers to them. In most cases, you won't need the customer support agents with the documentation, but if there is something you find confusing, you can always use the option of live chat. Pros of ConvertKit over other email marketing software. A lot of professional bloggers and online creators who switch from other email marketing solutions to ConvertKit said something in this respect. The benefits of ConvertKit to our business is way beyond what other tools have to offer. That's why we made the daring decision to move our business. So let's explore in detail some of the core benefits of ConvertKit. Remember that this does not in any way demean other email marketing solutions or companies. We simply want to be as transparent in this review as we can. The tag-based system makes your email marketing more automatic. You can tag your subscribers based on any actions you define. This takes personalization to the level that makes you serve your subscribers better and make more profit as a business. You can also use tags to segment your email list based on interest, etc. ConvertKit is easy to use. One of the aims of the platform was to build a simple tool for email marketing so that professionals can have important features they need to attend to prospects and customers better, as well as sell their products. The analytics dashboard is clean and easy to use. Make no mistakes about it, ConvertKit is not 100% perfect. There are things that we didn't like about it, although there's been a constant improvement. If we fail to point them out, then we didn't do a good job. Here are some of the cons of the software. It is difficult to remove inactive subscribers from your list. It is important to always remove some subscribers from your list so that they don't bring your engagement rate down, especially if you use a single opt-in on your website. However, to cleanse your list of subscribers who have not been engaging with your content for a long time, you'll have to contact customer support, as the platform does not allow you to do it. This can be a pain in itself. The pop-up cookie can be inserted when the visitor is yet to see it. In your automation, the pop-up of the email subscription form should be viewed once when they land on your website. So, a cookie registers on the website when the visitor has seen your pop-up. A user who unsubscribes from a list is unsubscribed from all future emails. A user might only want to exclude themselves from a series of emails about a topic or an event. If they unsubscribe, they end up not getting emails from you in the future. Fewer templates compared to the other providers. If you're looking for a beautiful template for your emails, ConvertKit may not be the provider for you. This could be an issue of a vice coming out of a virtue. This software platform encourages you to make your email as simple as possible. You can start for free and manage 500 subscribers. The complete plan starts at $29 per month for up to 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 to 3,000 subscribers will attract a fee of $49 per month, while 3,000 to 5,000 goes for $79. 10,000 subscribers attract a fee of $119 per month, while you pay $379 for 50,000 subscribers. If you're a blogger who sells many products through your blog and to your email subscribers and has little experience with the techie side of email marketing or even building your products, you would encounter fewer hiccups by using ConvertKit for your email marketing operations. What if you wish to take a vacation but still want your product to continue selling, all on autopilot? Or you like to make money while sleeping with your sales effort all automated? Then ConvertKit could be the ideal solution for you. One thing I'll tell you though, make ConvertKit one of the 3 you'll try out, especially if you're a blogger or online creator.